If you can't style, watch this video. I've put together 2 easy ways to style this beautiful hairstyle. In this video, we are going to make natural hair more beautiful. Hair has been blow dry. I'm just going to start by taking the session. What I'm doing here, I'm going to take one big one right there on the crown, and we are going to take all the session. We're just going to session the hair. So if you're doing the hair, session it and tuck it away so that it's easy for you to style. This hairstyle, we are going to style it together. Get your combs, get all the things that you need, which I'm going to be showing you, and let's begin. Hello and welcome back. If we are just meeting for the first time, I am a hairstylist in the United Kingdom, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Now we are just going to keep on sessioning the hair. Once the hair is sessioned, I'm using a glaze. It doesn't matter any gel that you have, provided try not to make it liquidy, because this style is a quick style, and when we finish, we're just going to put some like kind of a hairspray to just make it hold. I'm using a rubber band, so I'm just going to session the hair. So this bag, we are sessioning it into 3. I'm going to session the hair, and I'm going to feed the hair through the session, and we are just going to use our band to just pin it down. So get your glaze and just rub it on the side. Just going to twist this now, which I'm doing. So just twist it. You can plait it. I just want to show you, it doesn't really matter if you enjoy doing plaiting. We are going to do plaiting in the front. If you like twisting, we are going to do twisting. So we are doing the twisting at the back. Put it through and get your black rubber band. I'm using a darker band so that it can just match with the hair, and especially when the hair is long, sometimes it can get trapped into the band. Just be careful, and if you just want to take the band out when you finish, it's not difficult. You can just put a little bit of olive oil close to the band and just take your take home like the one on the hair there, and just put it under, hold, push it up. If it doesn't go, just use a little blade to cut it on top of the comb, okay, and it will just come off.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far.
We are just going to do all this back, and when we finish the back, we are just going to move to the front.
I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about
Now that the back is completed, I'm just going to the front. So I'm just using the same jam gel, not liquid gel. Just use like it. If you use liquid gel, make sure you have time to just wrap it. But for this, I'm not using liquid gel, I'm using a jam gel. I'm using my elastic band. Just be careful when you're doing the hair. Now we've done one big one, that front, and we are going to do some on the side as well.
your love was cold, heart made of stone.
I'm just going to plait this. You can do whatever you want to do. You can twist it, you can plait it, So I'm plaiting it because our hair is very full, just to kind of tame the hair. That's why I'm doing it the front like this. I'm just going to take a section there and I'm going to feed that through it and use my elastic band to just hold it. So I'm feeding it through under because our hair is quite thick. We don't want it to be too big. We want it beautiful, but we don't want it to be too big. I'm just going to plait that. Just take it into your hand, just plait like that. If you want to, if your hair is not too thick, you can do the twisting whichever way you want. Both of them, they are beautiful. Now we are back to the other side. We're just going to do the other side. Use the shine jet to just kind of slip it. So this, I'm just going to just do it, and then when we finish, we are going to go to the front. Now we are just going to do a tiny one on the side. So we just do this tiny one. Doing this tiny one just help the hair to stand out. That's why we are doing this tiny one. We are going to do two, one on this side and one on the other side. We are just going to keep on taking this session. Hairstyling is fun, especially if you are a hairstylist and you want to improve, you want to get better at hairstyling. We are going to be doing this hairstyle on our e-learning next month. All the informations are going to be on the description below. Now I'm just going to wrap the hair. So just wrap it. You can use like a cloth, or you can use what I'm using now. So I'm just going to wrap it. Now this is the hair we are using. You can use expression, you can use any type of hair, provided you cut it into two and you just spread the hair down like what I'm doing here. So I'm sectioning it into two. We are using the whole pack of hair. I'm just going to plait it. See, this is the first way of doing it. So this way, you plait it. Plait everything. When you plait it, I'm going to show you what to do.
But I'm just fine. I'm gonna shine. I'm alright, alright, alright. I'm celebrating my liberation. I'm moving strong. I'm moving on. I'm alright, alright, alright.
Just wrap it. So now I've shown you the first way of doing this type. So you just take it around, you pin it when you are done. But this is not what we are doing. I'm going to show you another way of doing it. So this way now, take the hair. I'm still the same hair. I'm just going to use a thread to just wrap it. What I'm doing right now, you have to do it the same. Everything has to be the same, exactly what I'm doing now. Get the pin and just pin it down. So just pin it and pin it where it has the thread. So we don't want the thread to show, we just pin it. So any which way you like. If you want this one, you can do this one. If you want the one we did with the plaid, you can do the one with the plaid. So any one that you feel that you want to do, but because of this was her birthday, I decided to do this one for her. So just get some spray, liquid spray, any spray you have. So because it has a little bit of flyaway, so I'm just using the straight spray to just kind of tame it down. If you are a hairstylist, you want to know the right product, the right way of doing the hair, check out our e-learning. All the information will be down in the description below, or you can use our website, Hair by Chris Bex. Everything that you need to become a hairstylist is going to be there. Just keep on pinning, just pin it like what I'm doing. You can see the hair is coming out really, really nice. So I'm just pinning it. You see what we're doing now. So you just take it around, okay? Take it around. Let's round the plaid. That's what I'm doing. So it's right in the middle. I'm just going to fold that there. So fold it and use my pin. I'm just pinning it down. Just be careful so that you don't pin the scalp. So just do this. If this is a little bit difficult for you, the plaiting one is much easier. You can just do the plaiting one. So after doing the plaiting one, if you want to just kind of experiment more, then you can do this style. But they are quite easy. You can see actually after putting the thread to just tie it, you've already arranged the hair. Just pin it. That's it. That's the job. So what we do now is just like to visualize, okay? Where do I put it? You can see what I'm doing. Where do I put it? That's it. There's no like rule to it. It's really easy, and I hope you are going to enjoy doing this hairstyle. The ends there, I'm just going to look for a place to just tuck it and just hide it, just like that. So I'm going to take this other one and I'm going to just pin it there. We are just trying to cover all the space. And check out my e-learning for more videos. We have a lot of tutorial on our e-learning as well. Connect with me on Instagram. If there's anything, any question you want to ask me, I'm always on Instagram. Now the hair is perfecto. Look at it. This I blend it with her hair. That's why I was like using the spray to just spray so that we don't want the hair to show. And you can see the hair just mixed with the extension. This is beautiful, gorgeous. I'm going to put some of the accessory on the hair. She really liked this hair. I really like this hair. And the band, you cannot actually really see it. So I try to use that to cover the hair, but her hair is quite thick. This is it. What do you think? I think you like this hair. Everyone will like this hair on you. And if you have anyone that you think that needs this video, share this video out to your friends and family so that they will be able to style their hair too like this. This is optional. Put some of the accessory if you want to. I think this place I was just like doing extra because it was so nice. I just wanted the camera to just like take in the hair. If you have watched this video up to this time, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you to all my subscribers, and don't forget to press the like button and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye for now.
When God gives you a dream, the dream will always be tested. The pressure in your life right now has a purpose. It's not crushing you. It's pushing what's on the inside of you out.